Are you from? Where are you from? Can you understand English? Oh, thank you. You're number 3. Yeah, I'm eating Taiwanese. This is a Taiwanese food. It's balatong beans. I don't know. You're in Taiwan. What is your name? I can speak a little bit Chinese. Yeah, I can speak a little bit Mandarin. A little, just only a little. Just just a single Chinese character. Ashley. Ashley? This one? Ashley? Oh, your name is Ashley? What a beautiful name.